What are HTML attributes? HTML attributes are special words used inside the opening tag to control the element's behavior. You will realize that in this case, this red class is the attribute. This is the name of the class or the value of the class, right? And this ID is an attribute, and this Ayobami is the value of the attribute. And you should notice that after writing this div tag, we put a space before we write the attribute. And before we write the ID attribute, we put a space. So you have to pay attention to that, because that is a common problem or common errors beginners always make. So you should pay attention to that. It's very important. Some attributes are global, that is, all HTML tags have them, e.g., the class and ID attribute. To explain the class attribute, let me ask you this question. Who is this man? Bill Gates. Is he the only billionaire in the US? No. So, billionaire is a class because it refers to a status where a person has an estimated net worth of $1 billion or in other currencies. Whoever has that net worth is a billionaire, and such a person belongs to a class of billionaire. In terms of HTML code, billionaire in that case is a class because all HTML tag can use it. It's not restricted to a particular person or a particular HTML tag. That is to say, many HTML tags can have that class attribute. So once other tags can use it, that means it is a class, right? So that takes us to another attribute. To tell you about this one, let me ask you this question. How many Microsoft do we have in the whole world? Just one. So Microsoft is unique and it refers to just a company. That is, it is an identity of a company. Microsoft in this case is an ID because it is unique and refers to just a company. Similarly, ID is a unique attribute of an element. That means it can only be used once on a page, and it can only be used once by a tag. So we cannot use an ID several times on a page. We can only use it once because it is unique. It is an identity of a particular element on the page. So it is unique. Also, some tags attributes are specific to some tags. That means not all HTML tags can use them, e.g. href, src, and so on. All these HTML attributes are specific to some HTML tags. They are not global like class and ID attribute. In this course, you will learn about several HTML attributes. All you have to do is to keep watching. We are going to show you everything by example through practice, and you will internalize everything while you are learning how to make use of them in the real world. So stay tuned.